how to cancel or change car rental booking on hotels.com. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial. Do check it out. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. For that, we can head over to a browser and basically go to hotels.com and hit enter. Once we hit enter, we can go to our trips or our bookings. Once we sign in the top right corner, we can find that option. We can just go and click on it. And here we'll be finding the reservation. So from this section, we can just go and click on the trip or our bookings and select the car reservation that we want to manage. Then we can select the option for cancel booking or change booking and then follow the instructions and confirm the change or cancellation. Otherwise, if you are a guest, we can even find this option called find your booking. We can click on it. And in this space, we can just go and enter up the number, car rental reservation number, and click on continue. After that, we can just go over and follow the instructions and then confirm the change or cancellation. And some of the rental allows free cancellation up to a certain time before pickup. And if you have paid in advance, the refund will go back to our original payment method. And if you have selected a pay at pickup, canceling usually does not charge a fee depending upon the provider. So we can just go over and follow the step. If we are not able to change it online, we can even contact the customer support, or call the car rental company listed in our booking confirmation, and we can check the cancellation that way as well. And that's it. We may follow this step for now, so we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.